Hello, hello. Hope all goes well with everybody. Tweaking a few things here in the last minute, as is usually the case. Where is this? Ah, there we go. Now I'm a big face. Now I'm a small face though, because all I need to be is a small face. Let's get this out there. All right, without any toiling about, let's take a look at Glitch Fluffy Barnacle that we were looking at last week at some point in time. Whoa, did that turn green for you? Wow, that was spectacular level crazy. Yeah, okay. So let's see. All right, get in here. We got the index there. Models for data models. Bin. Data. Oh yeah, the data is where I'm gonna locally put a security file to match with glitch. Even though, should I use that as my place though? Should I do that, or should we go with something else? We're gonna go with that for now. So let's put data in there, and I'll show you what I'm doing here. So we got FJS. There's my getting one. So in here, let's add data. Oops. Dot data directory, like so, and then get this part going. Oops. Gotta type it right, of course. Still gotta type it right. There we go. Come on, there we go. All right. Get status, and let's add that ignore file. Let's get push. Okay, gonna go ahead and get that up there. Then let's look at my remotes, because I need to start doing this in a more specific way. Oh, this said ahead of Riptano, but I'm on origin is my code. Okay. Git pull. I should get from both. Origin Riptano. Everything is up to date. All right. So in data, what I want to do to get data flowing here is actually come over here. Totally just made a Star Trek pun on the internet, y'all. This is hilarious. Okay, enough of that. All right, let's see here. Apollo data stacks. Oh, it's so bright. Oh wait, no. Probably didn't want to do that. Yeah, let's not use that one. I want to use this one. There we go. All right. right, what's next? Okay, BetterBots. I want to get in here. Talked about it previously. Get my secure bundle again. Show in Finder. I don't remember which one that is. Bear with me. Yeah, I'm just gonna. Look at that stock photography. Where'd my security file go? Oh, there we go. Secure connect.zip. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to go into my app here. Codes. What's it called? Oh yeah, glitchy, fluffy barnacle. Wait, what am I? Oh yeah, this glitchy, fluffy barnacle. Let's see, here it is, glitch, fluffy barnacle. And then, oh yeah, how do you even? Oh, I don't know. Whatever. Terminal. There we go. What? Yeah, sure. What am I doing? Oh yeah. Copying the file to glitchy cd.data. There we go. And then let's do open. And that'll allow me to put it right there. So now it is in that hidden directory, which is not committed into the database. Right? So get status. See, it won't be committed, so it's not there. Now, on my glitch side, I've secretly moved that over to that side already, so go look at my project over here. Here it is. Edit project. Come on, put. What is all this stuff? wget hosts. Oh, I don't want that either. So that was something I did previously, so let's delete this. Get ignore. Oh, the data directory is in there. Of course, you can't see it here, but if we go into the console, this way, .data to get into that hidden directory. There's a secure connect bundle. So theoretically, we can now work with stuff locally, and it should go to glitch and work just fine too. Alright, so close that down. Get back in here with some docs. Let's do this Apollo driver. And let's get in here and see where we're at. So we had routes set up, index. Oh, I should just be able to run this. What does it say? How do you got to do? Let's go look at this. Express.js. Hello world. They say do that, and then they ran Node.js app and Express generator, and we generated out a thing. That's it. Debug, debug. That. Actually, I want to see how WebStorm does it. So let's do new, because I know WebStorm has an Express app option. The Paint a Picture initiative. That's some of the coolest music I've heard on Pretzel since forever. Alright, so just testing, delete, later. And it's got version, Jade 2, all that stuff. Okay, so we're going to do that. We're going to go new window. So that way we have both editors open. And then we are going to do this. We're going to take a look at this. Configurations. So bin is just bin www environmental variables testing delete later. Oh, okay. So npm start. Weird. So wait. So that's what I've got, and then they say to run npm start afterwards. So can I do this? Okay, it's listening on port 3000. Let's do debug then. Spectre, okay, listening on port 3000. Oh yeah, so that's working. What did we have? Didn't we have another? Oh yeah, we're doing a route on a port. So let's get slash, and then over here there's get. Hey, what? I could have sworn. Oh, maybe I didn't get the latest from here. Yeah, because in here I just narrowed it. Yeah, okay, so that's share. Nope, I need to tools. Import and export. Yeah, grant access. Yeah, export to GitHub. Yeah, and then latest updates from glitch. That's battle and catch mini boss. Interesting. Okay, so now I should be able to do localhost. Let's go back to 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's go to terminal. Oh yeah, and then stop running. Pull all the changes. Oh, get. Oh, we're not in the right one. Oh, of course we're not in the right one. Ah, where's the other one? There we go. And pull. Oh, I gotta go PR it. Darn it. Glitchy, fluffy barnacle. Here we go. I didn't really look at the update. What is that, a penguin with skis? Oh, boot and skis, okay. That. Blah, 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 blah. What in the world? Yeah, that file was deleted. And that shrink wrap YAML. What about that other code file? Yeah, it should have all that in it. Yeah, that is not what I have in here. Get pull all. Get pull origin master. Oh, index looks good now. Okay, so this has a conflict. Oh, because of data and data. Whatever. Okay, let's sync that. Get status. Updated. Nor and related merge conflicts. All right. So we're gonna do a little experiment because I got a green screen behind me, and some people were asking, "What's up with the green screen?" So I'm gonna show them. I'll be right back. So we're gonna put on a quick pause here, where there is going to be a break. So I will be right back. Stay tuned. See you in a minute. Alright. Here we go. Back into it. So, hello to the new viewers. Now you can see what this green screen is for behind me. Should be super fascinating, I'm sure. And back into the code. Alright, so we got our data directory in there, we got our git ignore, got to sync up our git. Yep, that's good. So that should go to origin. Cool. Alright, now let's try to run. We're going to do this in Node.js, environmental, I'm going to go copy this configuration. So there's bin dub. I'll remember that, but this I want. So I'm going to go over here, go to Node.js, put this in, and then we'll go fix the name, which will be glitchy, fluffy, barnacle. And then this is dub, or no wait, bin / dub. Alright, so let's run it, see what we get. Listening on port 3000. Yeah, better bots news. Okay. And there's that updated. And then the other thing was we actually had, what we calling get data, we were just calling it data. Okay, so the path data must be a string. I don't even know what I'm doing here. Oh, must be a string. What in the world? Let's do this. Let's do, and we'll do env. Alright, so we'll do file env.env. Or do we want to do that? No, we want to actually set those. So I would go in here to set them locally, so then it'd work just like it does out on glitch, which would be pretty cool. So I'm going to go in here and set these. So let me get my login going on here. Almost done. Almost done. Yep, getting there. So just as a reminder as I do this, the username and password, or the username is listed right here after you create your account. Of course, you have to remember your password when you type in the password. So my username for this account is Adrian and then some password, IM or what it is. But you can reset it, right? So I'm going to hit reset and then put in a new thing. Let's do that. And then, change password, Can I type it in? Yeah, okay, it doesn't show you. Cool. So I'm going to do that. Get out of here, password thing. Yeah, how's that work? Alright, that seems to have worked. My password keeper thing. Thank you. So, now that's going to go out and actually update and change the password to you know, whatever I just changed it to, right? So now in my environment variables in here, I'd put in like Adrian, and then of course my super secret password, right? And that'll be my environment variables for WebStorm. So I'm gonna actually put those in now, but I wanted to show you what I was actually doing. And now I'm putting in the super secret password. And previously, you saw me put in the configuration up there for debugging. And in the sample project I made, just to give you an idea, this is what it is. And then you click that, you get environment variables, you can click this and add, you know, like I just added username, and I had to double click in here to add Adrian. But you get the idea. That's where the environment variables are set for the WebStorm IDE. Now, for other IDEs like Visual Studio Code, what you do is you actually go set the system environment variable, which you would need to do in your bash profile file or your bash RC file on Linux, bash profile being on Mac OS. And then on Windows, it's in that place. Look up how to set path variables and environment variables, and it's in that dialog, like start settings somewhere in there. But yeah, I'll leave that exercise for Windows users up to you. I apologize, but I ain't got time for Windows. Alright, so now we have this running. And let's see here. I want to make sure that I'm not... okay, I don't want to actually... I don't want to print that out. But let's do this. Let's do... console.log this thing, and let's do console.log file exists, right? First is not a function, so it looks like we're getting in there. RS is not rs.first. So rs.first here is not a function. Okay, whatever. I don't rs dot something catch. Finally, then that's my result. That is a promise coming back. So that's a positive. That's definitely positive. Does this need a semicolon to be strict? Yes, it does. Okay. So here, let's set a debug and just stop, and let's see about using debugging. Right? I haven't used debugging on Node.js in WebStorm. I don't know if I've ever done this actually. So let's see if we get this. We'll have to go execute to it, right? So run that. Boom. Oh my God, it went there. Oh, all this stuff. Wow. What all am I even looking at? So much stuff. So we got client. Give me just a second. I gotta look at all this because how is it showing? Okay, don't show my keys. Thanks for not showing that. Oh, so if I did hover over password, it would show it. Okay, so Adrian, getting here. Oh, and undefined. So the client. Being connected is false. Oh, connecting is true. Okay. So let's go to here. See about that? Just restart the whole thing and run to there. And go back. Oops. Refresh the page. Oh, so what is RS? It's a promise. pending. Promise value undefined. Okay. So what can I do there? I want to do like this. So here they do. So I did that. And I did. Oh wait, I'm gonna do that. Client connect. Oh, and then await. It's just, oh, it's this thing. System.local. Let's go for it. Alright. So let's do this. Where do we get to? Oh yeah, so let's copy this whole thing. I already put it, oh, I put it in a thing here. Derp. Okay, so let's do get data. Hey, Variety Vic, thanks for the follow. What do you think of this green screen? See how it doesn't show up? And I'm just now, just writing code, and it's just my head sitting up here. So now you know what I do on a Twitch stream. Now you know what the green screen is for. Also, good job on signing up, getting an account. You should follow me, which you just did, and subscribe if you feel like giving me money. But you don't really have to do that. That would be ridiculous. And then you can chat over here. See, chat. So there you go. You are now new to Twitch, and you're an experienced user already. So all that is done. Send data. No luck. Is that's this? Okay, that worked, huh? Send. Well, here I don't want to do this. I want to do. First. Sure. Cluster name. So now that returns actual data, maybe I can put that in there, or maybe not. It's probably not gonna work. So, unhandled promise rejection. Okay. So how do we do that again? So did that, and then save and close connect database.js. Run the connect database.js. We need to do this Express.js promise. Right, data is undefined. Yeah, make async requests, that's what I'm doing. So callbacks, yeah. But I don't want to do callbacks. Middleware modules. Design for promises and waits. Sync woes. New promise. Right. Okay. Yeah, okay, so then function app get, okay, take a look at that and see if we can't write this sucker in here right. Okay, here's our thing. We want to do something like this, because we're doing app.get, that's like that first bit. So then this bit, okay. And then this would be get data. It's going to return a promise, so then you do dot then function res.json. Then we do a res.send. Oh, that's the data. So then let's do res.send, right? Then, no, do a else. Oh, I just messed up a bunch of stuff. Can I do that? No. Dot. Okay, then, so catch something send. And that theoretically should replace this. Or should it? Oh, actually, no, it won't. How do I do the bundle? I need to put the... Okay, we're going to do this. We're going to take this out, because that doesn't need to be there. But they're in our connection here. There it is. Okay, we need this in the top of our bit. Oh, I didn't put the path in, did I? Oh, where did the path go? Oh, path. Okay. Let's do path. Oh, it is set. Okay. I'm not gonna do a check because if it doesn't exist, I want error. I want things to blow up. So let's do that. So there's that, and then let's do data. So, what up? What up? Are you doing anything? Oh, there it is. Okay. Nice, nice. That's what we want to see, is the authentication error. The authentication error. I mean, it's not what we want to see, but it's useful. So, failed to log in. Please retry. Alright. Alright, complicated thing. Let's see. All right, gonna do some secret logging in stuff because of failures. So please hold. I'll be right back. I'm here still, just doing my secret screens to do all my secrets. Oh, I already saw a problem. My credentials actually say this. I messed up. I didn't fix that. Why did I not fix that? So this needs to be the environmental settings, right? So env dot, wait, what is it? Dev dot env os dot env dot username yeah, burn it. What is it? Oh wait, there it's right back there, isn't it? Process. That's it. Process. Don't yell it. Process. Process. Like that. So I guess will that can I just update it? Sure is slow. Okay, gotta bounce out to secret screen again. Alright, gonna figure this out. What is it? It is not cooperating for some reason. Oh, it worked. It worked. Oh, there's my username and there's my cast cluster. Okay. Got it to work that time. So process dot, I just need to restart it. So the variables are set for username and password. The path is set. So that's how we can get this to work with glitch. And then there's cast cluster is what the thing is called. Let's go get back to some other stuff. So I got there's two tables in here. What? Oh no, that's not what I did, I guess. Well, I don't even know what I changed it to, so whatever. It shows my things back there, even though I don't have access. So let's actually do this. Let's get in here. That rs.first. Let's go to the Node.js documentation. And we're going to take a look at some more of this slowly but steadily. Space types equal data types to JavaScript types. Oh, let's look at that episode. Native protocol mapper. Oh, whoops, mapper. Object mapper lets you interact with data like you would interact with a set of documents. Oh, how nice. Questions, promises, callback based API, clear timestamps, warnings. Let's see if this got it. Yeah, find, get, if it's one document matching the provided filter or null. Selects all the objects. Yeah, let's do a find all. Wait, video mapper. Oh, what? There isn't. Okay. Find. Use your sense of specific date. Okay, only the name and description of the videos. Okay. Let's try that. So can I do... Oh, this is... I don't want to do that then. I just want to do... Let's look at that. Let's see if we can do that. So that ain't gonna work. These things just do not copy sometimes. Anyway, forget it. I'll just manually copy it. Oh, find a meta table. We'll go better bots. And then we're gonna look for orders. See if that works. Right? Oh, there's no do this. Okay. This would be the thing being responded with. Then actually, let's do this. Let's go. Oop. Just gonna put it in a whole new thing. So router dot get metadata function request, response, and then this, there we go, semicolon that sucker. Then we're gonna do another one in a second. Come back to that. So it's your client. Okay, let's do this. Let's do a constant client. I don't think that needs to be anywhere but here. So now I can just use the client throughout the code. That should be okay. Hey, noob runner. The song is it's Pretzel Rocks, and currently Big Ten by Miracle Sound, and the one before that was Snow Cones by Stimmage and Zantilla remix by the Big Giant Circles, Stimmage and Zantilla. So hopefully that was helpful. Also, thanks for joining the stream. How do I... Yeah, sure thing. This new dashboard in Twitch. How do I tell who's actually in chat? There used to be a button you could click on and it would just show you who's in chat. But now I got... Okay. What? Oh, highlight my messages, send a message. Yeah, I don't care about that. I want... Well, I don't know where that button is, so I'm not going to worry about it right now. I'm going to keep working on this. So where I'm at, let's see here. Bounce this one down, this one down, this one down. So I need a return at the end. So let's say bar result equals that. Is that correct, JavaScript? I don't even know, but I don't really care. Let's do result equals this. Let's do that. Should work, right? Theoretically should work. And then this should be result plus equals column. Yeah, I don't know. Column name with column type. Column type. We can return result. Yeah. Just restart that for good thing. Okay, metadata is what I called it. So if we go out here to 3000 metadata, let's see what we get. Man, why is it? Oh, crazy slow. Come on, what's it doing? Oh, some crap is going on. Side async function without a catch. Oh. What did I do here? I did... Oh. Oh, do that. And then dot. Can I do a then? Yeah, then. Function. Data. Oh, table metadata. Oh wait, no, I'm doing that already. So there's the then there. Oh, that, and then here, I think. Where's table info? Wait a second. They're doing like a table and then a table. I don't see where the table is. This is table, but what? It says the table. You know what? Let's do this, because that makes more sense. It should be that, right? I think, and then I can do a dot catch. And say function. Pass some more functions. Filtered data. Res.send. Filter data. Semicolon that. Okay. Nothing. Okay, that's cluster data. Metadata is this. Uh-oh. What up? Wait, where's my... I thought I got... Oh. So this metadata needs that actually. So I need client connect, boom, and then I need I think that should work. So let's do that. This is some nasty code. What did I do? Wait is only valid in an async function. Oh crap. Okay, that's right. So let's do that. Async function. Get metadata. I don't know why I didn't put it in one of these in the first place. So then this goes here, and then here, and then this should be like, oh, oops. Okay, that looks right. So we'll get in here. Let's do get metadata dot then function data res dot send data dot catch function filtered data res dot send data, and then let's get that where it should be. Let's run it. Where are we at now? Okay, we're running. Cast cluster, that works, and then let's do metadata. Where do we get to? Wait, I'm in. Oh, derp. I want to return the stuff here. So return that, or here, return result. right? Yeah, that's it. Let's try that again. That's weak. Oh god, 2 seconds. That's horrible. What is wrong here though? Oh, return resolve. Let's do that here. And this is actually going to be, and that, and this will be result equals filtered data. Nothing? Just want to know something's working. It's a data, but I just get nothing. Oh, nothing else out of the metadata there, out of the table. BB and orders. Let's do system. I guess local. This would be system. Yeah, so I guess nothing out of that. All right, well, another junk. Same function. Get sample rows. All right, I'm bush hog tired. Brr! Something stupid like that. So I'm gonna actually wrap it up for today. I have got to get some rest and relaxation. I will catch y'all tomorrow. We'll be doing some more of this. So as always, keep thrashing. Happy coding. May you have much success of all sorts. Until next time, cheerio.